Hey there guys, and how's it going? And today what we're going to be talking about is the Royal Norfolk steak knives. Yeah, now these come in a set. I have just two of these. I wanted to buy more. I really serve a lot of meat in my house and I like things to match. As far as my steak knives that I pass around to my guests or whatever when they're eating here. I don't want one person using a brown knife and another person using a black one or a white one or anything like that. Or it's just, I just like my utensils to match. So I wanted to get some more. I only have two of these and I like them a lot. They are very sharp, very, very sharp, and they're, for the price, I thought they were going to be like kind of like thin or flimsy, but no, they're not. They're very, very easy to use and cuts very nicely. Yeah. Now, for a person like me that actually cooks a lot of meat, I barbecue a lot and I like to grill a lot, and a lot of times I do a lot of steaks, and steak is like one of the main things I love to cook, and you need good utensils to really be able to enjoy your steak. I know you're supposed to cook the steak well enough to not have to like have it be real tough, but no matter what, you need a good sharp knife, good steak knife to cut those nice thin slices that you want to enjoy. These do that. They're just the right size. They're both stainless steel. It works very well. I really like it when you have a good steak knife actually cuts meat in a way. It's like part of the enjoyment, actually, being able to actually cut the meat very thin and in small pieces. It's to me anyway, it's part of the enjoyment, and you really get a lot out of it if you're able to actually, cut your meats well. I mean, if you're like trying to get into a piece of meat, a knife, and it's cutting it like you're using a butter knife or something like that. I've had those situations, and it takes away so much from the enjoyment of actually eating a nice, like, medium rare steak, It really does. It just, you have to have good utensils, and not just your fork. Your main utensil would be your steak knife. So yeah, I've been using these now for these particular knives probably about maybe 3 months. Yeah, I plan on getting more because, like I said, I like the brown, and I want my utensils to match, and I have company a lot. Handles here you have like, this are wood, and it has like a shape to it, like right here, for really comfortable holding right here, so you can get a really good grip on the knife, so it avoids slippage. Yeah, and this wood is very, very smooth. It kind of looks like a cherry wood, the colors in there, how smooth the surface is. Yeah, and they clean very easily too. It doesn't stain real bad or anything. It being stainless steel, I mean, fingerprints do get on these. You can see that I just did that. Stainless steel just has a tendency to be that way. So it's just, I don't know. It's but it does clean off really easily. So you can actually, clean it with just about, with really good ease. You know, I mean, it's not like it's gonna stain and be dull looking forever. You know, so yeah, stainless steel is hard to clean, but not these. I mean, you can wash these with regular dishwashing liquid, and it will be fine. They really, really are very good knives. I like them a lot, and I've used them for quite a while. Yeah, it's a really good utensil. It doesn't feel like it's going to break or the thing's going to come out or anything, you know. It's just really strong. You can get in there, and this metal part is not real flimsy. It doesn't feel like this is going to bend or anything. It's really good. I like these a lot. Okay, so we've been talking about the Royal Norfolk steak knives, and it comes in a set of 2. All right. Well, I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. Okay, bye-bye.